Today, we are going to understand why communication remains humanity's most powerful, irreplaceable skills. Welcome to this channel. Communication is one of the few skills AI still cannot replace. AI can write code, automate workflows, and solve technical problems faster than humans, but it still cannot replace human presence, emotional intelligence, leaderships, trust, or the ability to deeply influence people. And here's the most important part: communication is not a talent you are born with, it is a skill you can learn faster than you think. Most people believe communication is only about speaking English fluently or using fancy words. But the brutal truth is this: the actual words coming out of your mouth are only a small part of your influence. The bigger part is psychology, emotional control, body language, tone, timing, and understanding how people process information. This is why some people walk into a meeting room and instantly command attention, while others struggle to be noticed even when they are technically brilliant. You have probably seen this inside IT companies. The smartest developer in the room often gets ignored, while someone with average technical skills gets promoted faster, leads discussion confidently, handles client smoothly, and becomes influential across teams. The difference is not a luck or intelligence, it is communication mastery. Most professionals unknowingly destroy their influence before they even start speaking. They wait for others to lead conversation instead of taking initiative. They over explain technical details and mentally exhaust people with too much information. They speak too fast when nervous, use weak phrases like maybe, I am wrong, or constantly seek approval in conversation. Some even change their personality developing on who they talk to: managers, clients, seniors, or co-workers, which makes them appear artificial instead of authentic. Human beings unconsciously respect confidence, clarity, and emotional stability. When your communication feels reactive, uncertain, or desperate for validation, people sense it immediately, even if your actual words sound intelligent. The human brain forms judgment within seconds. Before people understand your ideas, they judge your posture, eye contact, tone, energy, and emotional control. This happens in interview, Zoom meetings, presentation, office discussion. Confident communicators move calmly, speak with clarity, and never rush to prove themselves. They understand the psychology of silence. Most people fear silence because they think speaking consciously makes them appear smart. But powerful communicators know the silence creates authority. A short pause before speaking makes you appear thoughtful instead of reactive. A pause after an important statement makes people absorb your words more deeply. In meetings, the person who remains calm under pressure usually appears more powerful than the loudest person in the room. Real authority is not aggression. Aggressive people may create temporary pressure, but they rarely create genuine respect. True authority is calm, controlled, and emotionally stable. The most reacted professionals are usually not the ones who speak the most. They are the ones who speak with intentions. They don't react emotionally to feedback, criticism, or disagreement. Instead, they stay composed and respond strategically. This emotional control creates leadership perception automatically. Another powerful communication skill is social calibration, the ability to read people and adjust your communication style based on the situation. Talking to developer is different from talking to executives or clients. Some people respond to logic and data, while others respond to stories and emotions. Great communicators understand this naturally. They know persuasion is emotional before it becomes logical. Even inside companies, people make decisions emotionally and then justify them logically. That is why storytelling is far more powerful than information dumping. Instead of overwhelming people with technically explanations, influential communicators simplify ideas in ways that connect emotionally. They focus on outcomes, clarity, and human impact rather than trying to sound intelligent. The biggest misconception about confidence is that people think it appears automatically one day. It doesn't. Confidence is built through repetition. The more you speak in meetings, present ideas, handle uncomfortable conversations, and communicate under pressure, the stronger your confidence becomes. Just like coding improves through practice. Communication improves through awareness and repetition. And this skill changes far more than your career. It changes your relationships, social life, self respect, dating life, networking ability, and overall presence. People who communicate well create stronger emotional connections because they understand how to listen, respond calmly, and make others feel understood. They don't just talk better, they think better. They stop reacting emotionally and start communicating intentionally. In today's world, technically skill may help you survive, but communication skills make you valuable, respected, and unforgettable. AI may replace repetitive tasks, but it cannot replace human influence, emotional connections, trust, persuasion, leadership, or presence. That is why communication is becoming one of the most powerful high income skill of the future. The people who grow the fastest in life are not always the smartest or the most talented. They are the people who cannot clearly express ideas, stay emotionally stable under pressure, influence decision, build trust quickly, and make others feel confident around them. Because in the end, people do not only follow intelligence, they follow clarity, confidence, emotional control, and presence.